Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Padma area during the pandemic Corona 2021. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Padma area. Actually, since 3 until 20 of July, in Bali and Java there is like lockdown emergency. So that's why Bali getting more quiet than before. Lots of people, they just move from Bali to go other place like Lombok or someone else. And now you can see on the street it's very quiet, no people there. This street we call Warkudara Street, and then we will explore Padma area. Actually, in this area also lots of people just walk around on the sidewalk before the pandemic Corona, because in this area good for shopping, and also in this area we have a lot of hotel. Oh, look at that, there is some taxi parking there. That is good. But the shop is closed. Okay, that is at the front is Jayakarta Hotel. From Warkudara Street, we turn left to explore Padma. Now we will explore Padma. We will see together how to like the condition at the moment right there. Actually, on this video, I make like 6-minute video without skip. So I just want to show you how the really condition right there at the moment. And also in this area usually busy because a lot of the hotel around here. Also the shop and cafe. You see left side, there is Amar's Hotel, but quiet. Left side, Swiss Bell Inn, also quiet. Right side also the big hotel there, but also quiet. You see, a lot of the shop is closed, isn't it? It's very bad. Actually, this area is very famous for me because long time ago when I just started working in Bali, I was be right here. I was have small shop and I sell souvenir long time ago in 2000. But now you see, it's no people there. It's very quiet. Multi hotel right side, but empty. Also left side, tourist hotel, but so quiet. Left side, three brothers. Left side, Three Brother Hotel, also quiet. Oh, the shop is closed. So sad, isn't it? Just no people. Okay, this is Padma Street. So you will see together how look like the condition in Padma Street. Some car parking right side. This is the big hotel there too. I think some people stay there. It's good. Okay guys, now we try to explore Legian Beach. Because exactly at the front from the Padma Street, there is Legian Beach. But some people say this is Padma Beach. Padma Hotel right side. Taxi parking, that's good. But no people on the sidewalk. This looks like very empty. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Padma area. Still very quiet. And now we will explore the beach. But I think it will be closed because emergency lockdown for Bali. Everything must be closed. Oh yeah, there is a sign. The beach is closed. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.